Okay, first floor video walkthrough of a one bedroom in Allston. All right, they're doing a lot of work here. Just grabbing video for the...
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. We walk here. As I mentioned, they're doing a lot of work. This will be the kitchen. All right, so new wall, new ceiling, new appliances, new cabinets. That would be your sink. That would be your stove. And then the fridge would go at the far end. Cabinets are going to be up top here. Lights and new floors throughout. The hardwood that we're on right now is going to be sanded down and repainted. So it's going to look very nice. The kitchen's probably going to get some kind of like linoleum, vinyl tiling. We do have a closet right there. All right. I do apologize for the not great lighting. It's kind of a ugly day out and we don't have light fixtures here just yet. So the toilet will stay. The clawfoot tub will stay. New sink and new vanity in the bathroom. New tiles against the wall down here. They'll be redoing cracks and fixing up cracks and any little repairs that you might see. Any little cracks, they're repairing it and repainting the whole apartment. Same goes for the doors, everything. As you can see, it does need a lot of TLC. All right, you can see up there. Now let's start with the bedroom first. The bedroom has a few windows here. They're overlooking this space driveway between the buildings. All right. So not the best lighting, but not terrible either. So this is your room. Again, these are going to be sanded down and repainted. Here's your closet. All right. And we exit out the bedroom. This would be your living room. All right. It's even bigger. So again, all these holes you see in the ceiling patched up, fixed up, patched up, and repainted. All right. As you can see, there's several outlets throughout. You got a cast iron radiator for your heat and hot water that are included. Okay. A nice little feature this apartment has is the 3-season porch. All right. So this is, I believe, painted by the previous tenants. All right. So we do have some windows here overlooking this parking lot. It's much nicer on a sunny day, I bet. They might be redoing this. I'm not sure. I need to double check. We do have, we're facing you probably can't see it that well, but the inside of the kitchen over there, and then the inside of the bathroom right here, okay? So you do have some air ventilation, which is kind of nice. All right. And just a reminder, if you didn't already see it in the advertising, no laundry on site, but this building right there, that's the laundromat that you have access to. There's another one right off the street, where the front of these buildings, there's another laundromat right there within walking distance. So hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Angel@lmcrealtyboston.com for more info. Hope you enjoyed the video and happy hunting.